Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. If you want to add a new section to your page in the Wix Harmony Editor, here's how you can do it. First, click on any section where you want to place your new section next to. Then simply click on Add Section. You can choose from three options: Generate with AI, Designed Section, and Blank Section. So for Generate with AI, Wix Harmony's AI will create a section for you based on your needs. First, Aria will then give you three kinds of sections you can add to your site, which all depends on your needs, by the way. And all you have to do is just select one and click on the Generate Section button below the section you'd like it to create for you. Once you click that, Aria will then create that section for you and automatically add it to your page. Moving on, we have the designed section option. Here, you can just simply choose from free design templates that you can customize yourself. And then we have the blank section, which of course will be blank and you'll have to go ahead and design it yourself. If in case you want to learn how to move a section up or down, simply right click on an empty area of your section and you should see the option to either move it down or up. And there you have it. That's how you add a new section in the Wix Harmony Editor. Hope this video is helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.